Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your metro journey?
Yes,
Yeah.
very interesting.
Yeah. And where are you right now?
We're just in front of Real Madrid Stadium
Yeah.
and it's getting a makeover.
Yes, it looks like it.
A lot of work getting done, so it'll probably be another 6 months before this. Things
How
go.
much did you pay to get that done? You buying it?
Oh yeah. I've got a few million lying there, so
Are you? Oh, I
I'll
wondered.
maybe use that.
I wondered about that.
Million pennies.
Are you happy with your holiday so far?
So far, yes, fine.
Yeah. Everything's going hunky dory, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm okay, I'm still here.
Yeah.
I'm still moving.
Well, you're not 21 anymore.
No, no.
You're closer to
I'm
31. We'll go with 32. Oh well. So we may as well look for something to eat then.
What?
We may as well look for something to eat. Where is it? Let's go this way. Is that your new house?
Yeah. You like it?
Where's your kitchen going to be?
In the centre.
Oh right. No, what have you?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
In the centre.
We'll go this way.
And then I'll have a system microphone at each corner so I can just catch traffic and say your dinner's ready.
Alright, well, yeah. Cool. Oh well, let's look for something to eat then, talking about dinner.
Yeah.
Okay. Very quiet up this way.
Build up the energy. There's a nice one there. I like that. That's nice.
Yeah. It's a shame you're under. Oh, look at them. Da-da-da-da. Oh, there's more. Woohoo! Right, we'll go then. Right, I'm going to sign off. We're going to go and get something to eat.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye
See you
bye.
later.